answer the query.
Mr. Speaker, the program-based budget for hiring personnel is 715 billion, Mr. Speaker.
$715 million. Where does that appear in the national expenditure report? What page, what line?
This is part of the 21 billion proposed budget to accommodate the much-needed personnel support of the expansion of the CCP.
Well, that means that the 21 billion is a lump sum that covers several items. Can we have a breakdown, Mr. Speaker, of the 21 billion pesos then?
The 17 billion 864,333 is equivalent to 18.86% of the budget will go directly as grants to beneficiaries. The 3,353,823,219 representing 15.82% will be for implementation support. The monitoring and evaluation will cost the project an estimate of 377 million 32,858, and the administrative support will cost 325 million 396,563, Your Honor. And this brings us to the total of 21,116,974, Your Honor, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, what is the meaning of implementation support? What are the items included here?
It is the salaries of municipal coordinators as well as staff of municipal link.
Mr. Speaker, how much are the salaries? 700? So that means 2.3 billion.
715 billion, Your Honor.
So where did the 2.3 billion, 2.7 billion go?
The implementation support, I suppose, Your Honor, Mr. Speaker, the 3 billion, I think 715 is included in this.
Yeah, what's the meaning of implementation support?
It composed of salaries of municipal coordinators as well as municipal links. It also includes capacity building and technical assistance, advocacy, and training for the staff as well as their salaries.
Mr. Speaker, 3 billion allocation, I think it's a further breakdown. We've explained 700 million will go to salaries. So where will 2.3 billion go? By item, by breakdown, because, well, I was in SWD and the World Bank, they fund this and they do inspect implementation support. They have an idea of what it is. I would like to find out if the meaning of implementation support here is the same as what is expected by the source of the
So we...
and the breakdown.
Mr. Speaker, the implementation support includes one
Mag-MRT lang siya.
bank service fee amounting to 171,378,643.
What is that, Mr. Speaker?
Bank service fee, Your Honor, Mr. Speaker.
Bank?
Bank service fee. This is the land bank service fee.
Yes.
Advocacy, that includes the advocacy materials.
How much are the advocacy materials, Mr. Speaker?
300.
Dito sa Congress.
This includes the development of IAC.
Sabi ko kasi kung
333,49,544. The
Ay, simahan ba si Magda ng boyfriend niya?
booklet for household beneficiaries is 231,811,000. Printing of manual is 1,500,000. Salaries and allowances of capability building staff is 133,780,240. The salaries and allowances of implementation support staff is 557,132,074. Trainings, 1 billion 624,772,529. Manual on family day or family development session would cost 82,624,216, and a capital outlay of 217,774,973. We also have a breakdown for the administrative support.
Mr. Speaker, before we go to administrative support, of 300 million, there is a 1.6 billion training. I think that requires a breakdown more than the 300 million administrative support.
We will be providing, Your Honor, Mr. Speaker, the breakdown, but this is composed of training.